Okay, how is it going? This is the first video of rolling with stone. This is just an introduction to my trip that I'm leaving on September 10th, which is in 7 days now, so it's coming up quick. I'm just gonna go over where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna see, what I'm packing, and then like a bit of what I want to learn as well. This is my backpack. Weighs 22 pounds, and this is gonna be for 3 months of backpacking. So I'm going to be staying in hostels along the way, so I don't need a tent or anything like that. I just have a sleeping bag and then clothes and then just all the other stuff you need. So first I will show you what I'm packing. Okay, so right here is everything I'm bringing. So of course I got my sleeping bag, which is just in this stuff sack that packs pretty nicely. So this is just for the bed bugs in the hostels, if there is any, hopefully not. And then also, I'm leaving September to December, like December 10th. So it is gonna be colder, and then just in case if the bedding isn't proper, then at least I have a sleeping bag. And then I'm gonna also be bringing Helly Hansen rain jacket. So, pretty light. And then this one's quite big, but it's a puffer jacket, but it does roll up pretty small, and this would help me keep warm when I'm walking around. Or deluxe MEC pillow, so super deluxe. Again, just for bed bugs or if I need something else. And then toiletries, so they all fit up into this little bag here, so just shampoo, toothbrush, all that stuff, and just prepare. And a lot of the stuff I can probably get over there, but because I'm going to be on a budget, I want to bring as much possible before I leave. And then this stuff is more for the Camino part. It's just a guidebook. It just shows all the different destinations and just a little bit of the history of the towns. And then I got my adapter, and then just a watch. Now into my actual clothing. So in this one, I just have my comfy clothes, I guess, for when I'm done hiking. So I just have like a shirt and then like a sweater and pants, just so I can change out of my hiking gear and then go into like more walking around town gear. These bags fold up your clothes pretty nicely, so I would definitely recommend getting these, and it just helps organize and keep things clean out of your backpack. And in this one, I have this like quick dry towel, I guess, so it folds up pretty light, relatively big, like a normal sized towel, but it just wraps up a lot nicer. And then I got 2 gloves, so once again just for the colder weather, late September. Then I'm bringing 3 pairs of socks, so these are like non-cotton, just quick drying socks, 3 underwear. Yeah, that's it for that bag. And then this is my big bag, I guess probably the heaviest thing in my backpack, which is just all of my day clothes, hiking. Here I got these super compactable water pants, so they just fit in this little bag here, and they're 100% waterproof. Then I'm bringing 2 shorts, also just quick drying, like a long sleeve, and then just puffer jacket thing. And then I'm gonna be bringing 2 pairs of walking around pants, so I'm just gonna be bringing jeans and then like a jogger or something. Yeah, so that's it for my packing list, and it just all fits into my 55-liter bag. So it's pretty light, and I could have gone with a smaller bag, but I was just thinking if I bring anything home it wouldn't fit. So then I also got this sling bag, so I was just thinking when I'm walking around town, pickpockets, I wouldn't be able to get it if it's on my chest. And then one also other thing is I have a lot So this is for my locker at the hostels. Okay, so now that's all my packing stuff. And then I'm also going to be bringing some portable chargers. I forgot to mention that. But now on to where I'm going. I'm flying from Canada to Paris, and then I'm going to be spending a few days there, just sightseeing a bit. And then I'm going to be starting my Camino pilgrimage. So I'm going to take a train from Paris to Saint-Jean, which is just on the border. It's still in France, but it's on the border of France and Spain. I'm going to be hiking from there to the other end of Spain to Santiago de Compostela. So that's like the official end of the hike, but then I'm going to be going a bit farther to the ocean, to a town called Fistera. And then from there, I'm going to be going to go to Madrid, Barcelona, and then just other towns in there, and then just continue my way through Europe. Okay, what I hope to learn. So I just graduated this year from high school, grad class of 2021, and this was all during COVID. COVID's still happening, so I'm still pretty lucky that I'm able to go on this flight. I am vaccinated, so without that I would not be able to go unless I had a negative test. I'm doing it because I don't really know what I want to do with my future. I don't want to go to school just to end up hating it after 4 years and spend $40,000 or more. And then I'm in debt, so that just didn't seem like a good choice for me. I have money saved up, about 12 grand, hopefully last me throughout this whole trip. The main part is just for me to do some soul searching and just find out what I want to do with like jobs, and then just more personal stuff. So this is just the first video. I'm going to be doing more videos along the way. So I'm vlogging, so I hope you follow me along with that. And I will see you in Paris or on the plane.